Yo, it's your boy Will, and I'm back with another video, and today we'll clean up the kitchen with William, and this is day 9. I repeat, this is day 9. So, 10 minutes. 1 second, my man. Alright, let's go. Up there with your food. That boy ain't going nowhere, bro. You drinking the heck out of it. Hope you all doing well this morning, being productive, starting off your day, praying to God, thanking for all the things that you have in life right now, and asking for strength to get up and get whatever that needed to be done that's necessary. But ain't nothing in these pots, bro. You know what? My dog is so fabulous. Mm. 3 more minutes. Already. It's crazy. See how fast time runs, bro? That's why you shouldn't not be playing around with time. Cause time is not gonna wait on you. She is not gonna wait on you. Time is not gonna wait on you, bro. So it's important to take Be very aware of your time, how you use your time, man. Use your time wisely. Use it very wisely to your ability, bro. That's put that 1% to y'all for real. Gotta make it somewhere in life for real. Stop watching porn and everything. Stop letting these twerk videos hypnotize you, man. Delete all social medias right now, bro. And start in the morning, bro. Take my advice, bro. And delete every last social media platform off your phone. Starting today. Every morning. Set limits, man. And go work. Go work on yourself. Then you go have some fun time. At the end of the day, bro. All that other stuff. What they got going on social media, it don't be nothing on social media but female twerking they booty, men lusting over them, uh, drama, drama for these celebrities that everybody look up to, idolize, I would say. That's the word for it. Instead of idolizing God, which is dangerous. And y'all be putting fear in all these rappers, bro. Y'all need to stop doing that. Cause y'all boosting these rappers' ego every time y'all do it. And these rappers ain't like that for real. But yeah, it's your boy Will checking out, and I'm gone, man. This is day 8, by the way, man.